Hello there, and thank you for registering for a UNLV digital event. This video is a guide in downloading Webex, our digital event platform. We do recommend you download the Webex mobile device app prior to your scheduled event, as it may take some time. We will begin with the steps for iPhone and iPad. Visit the Apple App Store. In the search box, type Webex or Cisco Webex. Once you locate the app, click Next and your download will begin. On the day of your event, click the link or links provided and your mobile app will open. Next, we will talk about downloading the Webex on Google Play devices. Visit the Google Play Store and type in Cisco Webex in the search bar. Then click Install, then click Accept to the terms. Multiple screens will pop up that will ask you to allow permission. Click Allow for all of them. Your download is then completed. On the day of the event, click the links or links provided and your mobile app will open. Feel free to reach out to UNLV Admissions Office with any questions by contacting campus visits at unlv.edu. Thank you.